This architecturally significant 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 1/2 bath home is located in an area of town suitable for active lifestyles. Interior features of this property include an open floor plan, custom woodwork throughout, a separate laundry room, walk-in closets, tile flooring, a brick fireplace, superior grade kitchen appliances, a great room, a washer and dryer, central air conditioning, granite countertops, a large pantry, an upgraded shower, a luxury master suite, crown molding, a living room dining combo, an office, a gourmet kitchen, a water filter system, audio or video surround sound, his and her closets, solid wood cabinets, and storm shutters. The property is cable ready and has high-speed internet service available. On the outside, this property features a lot with adjacent acreage available, a 3-car attached garage, a fenced yard, a screened-in patio, a metal roof, a stucco exterior, and a barbecue. Community amenities include a full-service country club nearby, great area schools, a tennis facility, close by public parks, easy access to medical facilities, and close proximity to shopping and dining. The owners of this property are motivated. The approximate square footage is 2,474 square feet. This property is represented by
Kelly Smith, Kai's Real Estate.